Hey there. In this video, I'm going to show you the basic ways to troubleshoot any issues with Voicy and increase the accuracy of your transcripts. Now, getting started, the first thing I tell everyone whenever they face a Voicy issue is quit and reopen the app. More often than not, that fixes the issue. But if it doesn't, usually problems come down to your microphone connection. So whenever I start a Voicy recording like this, you will have this box here, and what you will notice is this blue wave that shows up as I'm speaking. Now, this blue wave indicates that Voicy is getting data from me in terms of it can hear my voice, so it can do the recording. Now, if you don't see this blue wave, or the wave's patterns are very thin, that means that your microphone connection is either just not there or too low. Now, the easiest ways that you can check why this is happening is to go to your improve accuracy page. And over here, we have the increase microphone input volume just card. If you click on adjust volume, it will open up your computer's internal audio settings page. Now, I'm on my Mac, but on the Windows, it will do the same thing. And what you want is to set your input volume to as high as possible, because that way Voicy will just get better data from your recording. It will be easier to hear your voice. Now, if this doesn't fix it at all, there's a good chance that maybe Voicy doesn't have access to your microphone permissions. So in your Mac or your Windows computer, go to your security settings. It is basically the same thing on Windows. And then go all the way to your microphone and make sure that Voicy actually has access to your microphone. And if it does, it should all be fine. If it still fails, reach out to me. I will always respond. My email is found on the home page's contact support area. Finally, to improve the accuracy of Voicy or to get rid of any weird bugs that you might find, please always make sure that you go to your settings page and you ensure that experimental features are turned off. These features are experimental. Sometimes they don't work properly. So turning them off will always ensure that you're getting the latest approved non-experimental version of Voicy. If you follow all of this, you should be able to find the issue. And if you don't, again, I'm here to help out. Thank you so much.